Hi everyone, and welcome back to the course. In this category, we'll talk about pending stop orders, trailing orders, and ranging orders. What do the time and price of stocks have in common? Well, they wait for no one. You might have seen yourself how fast-paced and volatile the market is, that even placing a simple buy or sell order at market price can lead to slippage, which can make or break your trade. Let's say you see a share whose price is trading at $45.35, and you decide to enter the market at that price, but by the time you place the buy order, you notice that your buy price was $46.15. That's precisely what slippage refers to, the difference between the price at which an order takes place and the anticipated price of a trade. A slippage can take place at any moment, but it's typically seen at times when the market is highly volatile and when the market orders are being used. To avoid slippage, you have to be aware of the different types available at your disposal. Let's take a closer look at all of them. Market order. Market order is fairly simple to understand. When you try to buy or sell a share at the market price, which you see on any trading platform, that refers to a market order. When you place a market order to buy or sell a security, the order price is outside of your control and the trade takes place at the market-determined price. In a fast-moving market, market orders are vulnerable to slippage. Consider the table above. Look at the market depth of the security Siemens. If you decide to buy just a share of this security, even though your market price is $1675.45, your order will be executed at the lowest price asked by the seller, which is $1675.50. Similarly, if you want to sell a share of this security, a sell order would take place at the highest price offered by the buyer, which is $1675.45, as you see here. Let's take another example. In the above table, the market price of the option is $52.50. If you want to place a sell order for one quantity, the sell order will take place at $47, which is the highest price asked by the buyer. Let's assume that this is a thinly traded security. The difference or slippage between the asking price and the bidding price here is 5.5, which is huge, and can affect your profits and losses when you trade a large number of orders. Limit orders. When you place a limit order, the order will take place at a specific set price or at a better price. Limit orders will help you avoid entering at a price that you don't want to enter and will help you avoid slippage. However, every great perk has a downside to it. The downside here is that if the market price does not reach the limit price that you've set, the order won't take place. Let's talk about buy and sell limit orders now. Suppose you want to buy 100 shares of a stock whose price is currently $10, but you don't want to buy it at the exact same price, but at $9.50. So what you can do here is you can place a buy limit order for $9.50. When you place a limit order for the same, the trade will execute only when the market price hits $9.50. Of course, this avoids slippage, but if the market price never hits $9.50, your order will never be executed. Another thing you need to keep in mind here is that if you try to place a buy limit order at a price that is greater than the market price, your trade will be executed immediately. So, as evident through this example, a buy limit order is used to buy a share at a price not more than the limit price. Now, let's suppose you want to sell 100 shares of a stock that's currently priced at $10, but you want to sell your shares at $10.50. You will then want to place a sell limit order for $10.50, and the trade will be executed only when the market price hits $10.50. However, it has the same consequence as the buy limit order. If the market price never hits $10.50, your sell limit order will never be executed, and if you try to place a sell limit order which is below the market price, your trade will be executed immediately. So a sell limit order is used to sell a share at a price not less than the limit price. Now remember, you can only place a buy limit order below the market price and sell limit order above the market price. If you're anticipating that a security might become bullish after rising to a certain price, and thus you want to place a buy limit order at above market price or sell at below market price, you need to use pending orders, which we'll cover in the next section.